Hey there, I just wanted to make this quick video for you. If you're looking for a way how you can get sound on your MSI monitor, so this is the thing that you can try to do. So from the back, you're going to have something called audio. Do you see that? So look from the back on the monitor and you're going to find there like audio. And then what you need to do, you need to plug it with the audio jack and with the audio cable, you need to plug it to a speaker. If you have a JBL speaker, if you have a Bose speaker, Sony speaker, I don't know, whatever speaker that you can connect with, also with audio jack, let's say the JBL audio jack, and right there, look here. So some of them, they are going to have, for example, this one JBL, they got it, and you can easily just connect it to your monitor, and then when you're going to connect it to your monitor, then it should work primarily. So it really depends also what kind of like jack and stuff like that, but research this way on how you can like actually use it with the speaker itself, and this is how it's going to work. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and goodbye.